Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing this PR package I got from Born Pretty. I received this during the Christmas period, and I received the other Christmas gifts from them, so I was able to review that one at that time. I'm excited to leave this one till the new year. So happy new year everyone. This is the first video I'll be doing or posting on my channel this new year. I'm grateful to God for bringing us into a new year, a glorious year, a wonderful year. I'm a religious person, so I always love giving thanks to God for anything He does for me. So I'm happy, I'm good to be alive. So this year, I am going to be dedicating more time to do more content for my YouTube channel and also my TikTok channel. God helping me. It has not been easy, but I think I'm going to be finding ways to dedicate time, and I hope I get more products this year from other companies so I can also have time or dedicate time to review them as well, because I think it's only when I have prayer packages I come here to do the unboxing and tutorial for everyone. So I got this product. I was asked to pick 4 products, so I picked a liner because I've been seeing these liners and I wanted to know what it looks like to use a liner straight from the bottle instead of using just a gel polish and a brush to do my French tips most of the time. You know that feeling when you want to do your little white French tips and you just start looking for brushes to use. So I got it, and I got this beautiful color rubber based gel. It's a very beautiful color, very natural. So I'm going to be using this to create a beautiful set. So come along with me, guys. So I decided to use my daughter as my model because, you know, I think I've been looking for models from very far. Meanwhile, I have someone in my house I can use as my model. So I'll be taking the nails over after I'm done with it, with the design. So I already prepped the nails so that I can take it off when I'm done. First of all, I've gone with the base coat. I've cured the base coat for 60 seconds, and I'll be applying this rubber based gel. I apply it as if I'm applying regular gel polish so that I can have a smooth consistency. Sometimes when you don't apply the rubber based gel well, that's what I've discovered from my experience. If I try to apply it like a new enhancement, it gets so bulky that I have to file it and shape it again, which I think is too much of a work. So for easy application, just apply it as if you're applying your regular gel polish, and it kind of slips so well. The coverage is good. There's this quality it has. It kind of it save levels. Yes, that's what I want to say. So it levels by itself, and I just like it. I don't have to file. So if you're trying to do your own nails by yourself, you know, sometimes when you want to do your own nails and you don't want to use acrylic, the acrylic system because you have to file down, you don't want to use the gel system because you have to file down, I can assure you that the rubber-based gel is easier because you just apply it like a regular gel polish, and it gives your nails a kind of thickness that is required for it to last long and to make it strong. So I apply it like regular gel polish, cured it for 60 seconds, the first coat. I'm going over again with the second coat. I'm going to apply it again, just the way I applied the first time, very smooth and nice, and I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. So I won't be I won't need to file it because it's already smooth. If you're coming across my YouTube channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail content creator currently based in Canada. All I do on this YouTube channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what is on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to my channel, and also you can turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. So I told you guys I got the liner, the Born Pretty gel liner. So I'll be using that to create a a white French tip design on this gorgeous set, and also got this airbrush machine, or airbrush machine, let me call it airbrush machine, from AliExpress. I've had it for a while and I've been wanting to use it. This kind of presented me an opportunity to use that. I'll be using it to create a kind of a Valentine themed nail set. It's almost February and I know people are already preparing for Valentine, so I'll be doing like a Valentine themed nail set. So guys, kindly watch this video to the end. I will not be talking till the end. If you think you know anyone that might be interested in learning something from this video, please don't forget to share this video and let me know your thought about this set that I've created in the comment section. I loved it. I love this liner, but I wish I have it slimmer because I was not able to get to the sides well because I didn't want to get on my model's skin. So I wish the brush is more tinier than this. Maybe I have to kind of make it slimmer by myself, but it's not bad, honestly. So guys, I'll talk to you again in my next video. Let me know your thoughts about the set in the comment section. Till then, don't forget to watch this till the end, and I'll be leaving the links to the products I got in the description box, so you can click on them and you can get them from the Born Pretty website. Also, don't forget to use my coupon code, this Glitterspolish, to get some discount off any item you purchase from the Born Pretty website. Till then, take care and stay blessed. Bye.
Oh baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Oh baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Look, baby, look, baby, you be look, baby, look, baby. What have you done to me? Oh, got me chasing after you. What have you done to me, my Bella? Got me chasing after you. Yeah. Oh yeah, talk to me, oh mama. My long room surround me, die with you. Oh. Baby, all I seek, I find it in you. You. All I seek, I find it in you. And I'm falling for you, yeah. And I'm calling Oh baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Said I'm getting addicted, oh, I'm getting addicted to you. Said I'm getting addicted, oh, I'm getting addicted to you.
Mystic Empire.
Oh, 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 yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. I like the way I'm feeling now. No, come use your reggae for my blues and rhythm now. I like the way I'm feeling now. I might get something when it stress me, but right now I'm chilling now. Hey, you see this life, working very hard to get the best life, living every day like it's the last thing, you know it. Following my dreams on a whim to the fullest. They say you can't do this, no, it's impossible, yes, you quit. But with God by my side, I can do all things. I've got joy, unspeakable faith, unshakable peace, untouchable fire of the Holy Ghost. You can spoil the way that I'm feeling now. I like the way I'm feeling now. No, come use your reggae for my blues and rhythm now. I like the way I'm feeling now. I might get something when it stress me, but right now I'm chilling now. I like the way I'm feeling now. No, come use your reggae for my blues and rhythm now. I like the way I'm feeling now. I might get something when it stress me, but right now I'm chilling, hey, I'm too blessed to be stressed. I got love, enough friends, big family, and living happily with God on my neck. Enough joy, we got strength. I feel good, I feel blessed. A big life, someone's wife, and the blood of Christ, yeah. Feeling like $1,000,000. Friday night, let's have some fun. Call your friends and sort it out. This life is one, so we toast to the good life. Every minute's the full, cause I pull up open doors, then it's suicide. 16 bad whoop and they all by the poolside. I like the way I'm feeling now. No, come use your reggae for my blues and rhythm now. I like the way I'm feeling now. I might get something when it stress me, but right now, hey. Baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Oh, baby,